Like, outside all I can see is whiteness. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, it's Betty. And basically, I'm supposed to be at school right now because it's like, it is 8:25. I'm literally supposed to be starting school right now. But because of the storm Emma slash the beast from the east, I'm not going to school because there's a lot of snow. And if you don't know, I live in Ireland. And snow is not like a thing that happens often. So I decided why not vlog today because I don't know the next time when it's gonna snow like this in Ireland. So I'm out there right now. I'm not trying to show you guys in front of my house, but like it is so cold, like, and the snow is so high up. Like, this is too much. This is too much snow. This is too much snow. Oh my gosh. I'm even wearing Superstar. I'm still in my pajamas because it's like 8 a.m. Oh my gosh. That looks so cool. I'm shooting down because I'm recording downwards because I'm not trying to show you guys my address. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. So I'm back inside my house right now, and basically I'm just gonna try to explain what's supposed to be going on. So basically it's this storm Emma slash beast from the east, which is obviously coming in from the east. It's supposed to be like colder than the Arctic Circle in Ireland for like 3 days. It's supposed to be what? We're supposed to get like polar winds and all that type of stuff. All I know is that it's really cold. On yesterday, and that's Monday by the way, it snowed like 3 times, and then it was sunny, and then it snowed. But then it only stuck like late in the evening, and I was like, I don't know if it's actually gonna like happen. Like, is it actually gonna snow that much? Because all the news websites were saying it's gonna snow 6 centimeters. That looked like a lot more than 6 centimeters, and I keep looking outside because it's snowing again. And today's Tuesday, by the way, and the worst is supposed to come on Thursday and Friday. Like, I'm actually kind of happy because we never get snow like this in Ireland. Like, the last time we got snow, like, close to this, like, 2010, and I was, like, 7. So, 7 years later, it's snowing again, like, properly. Like, it snows in Ireland, like, every year, but it's never, like, a lot of snow. I don't know how to describe it properly, but all I can say is that it barely snows in Ireland, like, properly. Like, there'd be, like, 2 or 3 days, or, like, let's say, 5 days a year where it actually snows, and then there'd be, like, 3 days of the year that'll actually stick, like, that's kind of how it's like. But this year it's different, and the weird thing is it's March. Like, it's the 27th of February, but it's basically March. Like, we're into the second month of spring and it's snowing like this. Like, that's crazy to me. But yeah, sorry, I keep looking out. It's just starting to snow again. I'm like, if this isn't the worst, then how high is the snow gonna be? I remember I went to like a shop, like all the local shops, no bread, no bread, no milk, like no chicken, like all the necessities are gone. Like, I'm just shook because when we had Hurricane Ophelia, I feel like people in Dublin overreacted to Hurricane Ophelia, kind of. But like, this is different. I thought people were overreacting when all the bread and the milk sold out, but like, looking at the snow, they may have not been. By the way, I know I look like crap. Well, not really. You know, so live yourself. But I know I look kind of weird, but that's because I literally... Oh, I'm about to say I literally woke up. No, I woke up like 2 hours ago. I was just lazy because I don't have no school today. Patch of snow right here. This looks so nice. Like, what the heck? Like, I know it's just like blank snow, but it looks so nice. Like, it has no footprints in it at all. Oh, yeah. I just feel the snow, and this is different. Like, this is different to the snow we usually get. Like, this is lighter. It's like, it's different. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just different. Yeah. Like, so slow. When I was walking, I couldn't even like tell. I'm just kicking this on right now, but I couldn't even tell where the road and the pavement is. Like, it's that much snow, and it's so deep. Yeah, not that many cars, but there were a few cars driving. Bag, but I still can't get over how pretty the snow looks. Like, what the heck? It just looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Right now I'm going back inside my house because I tried to take some pictures and I threw like the snow up in the air with my gloves, and my hands are so cold right now. So I need to go inside. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog today. I know it was short, but I just wanted to vlog a little bit today since I had no school and it snowed. I don't think you guys can see, but it started snowing again. By the way, it's 5 o'clock now. I finished vlogging like at 12 o'clock. But yeah. I finished vlogging at like 12 o'clock because I didn't want to go outside anymore because it was freezing cold outside. I actually tried to film my outro outside, but it was not cooperating because I can't even tell if it's snowing right now, but it keeps going from like snowing lightly and then to not snowing and then snowing a lot. So yeah. By the way, I'm pretty sure I said it was Tuesday at the start of this vlog. It is Wednesday, the 28th of February. Hopefully it's going up. This vlog is going up today, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like I said, it is very short because I had no school and I decided to just vlog a little bit. I might vlog tomorrow because it's supposed to be worse tomorrow. Like, this is only day one of like all the snow. It's supposed to be worse on Thursday and Friday, so yeah. If you guys want more vlogs like this one, just comment down below or show me by giving this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!